I finalized my bending jig / platen pins and listed it on my website for sale. Anyone interested, please check out my website, gstongs.com. If the plate steel is a little too rusty, then I hit it quickly with this wire wheel. I really need to give a very big shout out to Brett A. Thompson for his extremely generous donation. He went above and beyond the call of duty, so very big thanks. The only change I've made is to add 4 13mm holes in between the 9 19mm holes. This way you can flip the pins milled into 2 diameters and so bend in a tighter radius. There's obviously nothing fancy about my bending jig, but it's a solid tool which I've personally found extremely useful. It comes with the 6 medium carbon pins you see here, and I can offer hardy sizes from 3/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch, about 19mm to 32mm. And the platen itself is made from 19mm thick plate, which is 100 by 100mm, or about 4 inches square. Catch you guys next time.